Hi, Darla Demaro from HeartWork Organizing. I just got back from vacation like many of you did over the summer, and within a week I had a goal of getting together my vacation photo album, and here it is in my hand. These are the types of albums that we create for our clients, but this one is all mine. So I went all out and I did put it in my boutique packaging, which is what we offer to clients as well. But here we go. I am going to show you the very first look at my vacation album. Are you excited? When's the last time you made an album for yourself? Dun, da, da, da. I love these because it's like opening up fancy jewelry, which I don't buy for myself anymore. But family memories, that's worth buying. Ooh, okay. So normally I put picture on my photo album. But this time I went all out and I got some leather binding, and hopefully you can see that, but the London, France 2023 was our trip. These come nicely bound with, oh, I may have to do a little surgery here. There we go. Nicely bound and printed, and I am super happy with it even without opening it up. Now, this is what we do for clients again, but this is my trip, and we just got back, so I am thrilled to say I love the album. It's very rich colors. I laid it out so that it tells the story of where we went. You can tell we actually went to Hogwarts, so this is a big deal. And my kiddos are going to be happy to see this as well. You can see our style is that we don't do a lot of text in here, but let me get to a page where we do have text. We went to Brighton Beach, and so when there's information on there that I want to remember, we also put that on the pictures in the layout as well. So that is my unboxing. I hope you love my album, but more so, I hope that you have turned your vacation memories into something that you can hold and look at way more often than you're going to look at them on your phone or your computer. But if you have photo album goals and you're not there yet, please give us a call, HeartWork Organizing.